Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot lists and suppression lists step by step clearly. To restore HubSpot lists and suppression lists, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section in the main dashboard. Click on Lists from the drop-down menu. Identify the list you want to restore. Check the status of the list to confirm it has been deleted. If the list appears in the Deleted Lists section, click on it. Review the details to ensure this is the correct list for restoration. Locate and click on the Restore button. Confirm the restoration action when prompted. Once restored, the list will reappear in your active lists. Next, to restore suppression lists, go back to the Contacts section. Select Suppression Lists from the drop-down menu. Identify the suppression list you wish to restore. Check if the suppression list is listed as deleted. If it is in the Deleted Suppression Lists area, click on it. Verify the details of the suppression list. Click on the Restore button to begin the restoration process. Confirm the action when prompted to complete the restoration. Your suppression list will now be available in your active suppression lists. Review both restored lists to ensure all contacts are accurately reflected. Make any necessary adjustments or updates to the lists as needed. Always check that the functionalities are performing as expected after restoration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.